Quality and aesthetics down to the smallest detail characterize our cubicles and lockers. We plan every detail and leave nothing to chance. Our standards are high, and this is reflected in the quality of KEMMLIT products. We continuously optimize our processes to deliver maximum performance for our customers. The safety of our products and projects is our top priority. No matter the requirements, we always have sufficient resources for any order volume. We deliver on time and handle the installation for you, which is carried out exclusively by trained professionals. As a market leader, we have received numerous awards. We use our wood waste to generate energy in a modern wood chip heating system and produce our own electricity with a high-performance photovoltaic system. No matter what challenges await us, we roll up our sleeves and tackle them head-on. Performance meets passion.